Hello everyone and welcome back to Nafi's Not Facing Garden. Today I'm going to do a live unboxing of some clematis that I got from a Taylor Clematis online. I'm going to show these clematis. I'm actually looking forward to doing some combination planting with clematis and some of my climbing roses this season, and I'll go into more details about the plant and the principle of combination planting. If you want to find out, please stick around and we'll do that together live. Clematis is a queen of climbers, and you can use them in a variety of ways, singly, in the trellis, in an obelisk, along a wall, and then you can also use them in spectacular displays with climbing roses, as you can see in these images that I have cleverly borrowed from the internet. Combination planting done in this way prolongs your flowering period with maximal impact. However, other plants like salvias have been demonstrated to provide pest and disease control for roses and can be protective for things like mildew and black spot diseases. The plants, actually I ordered two, and they've arrived in the same box, and they've been expertly packaged, as you can see, each one at each end of the pot, and that has been sort of cushioned in with styrofoam. I'll lift up the plants and then we can look at them individually, but I'm very impressed with the wrapping so far. Right, so this is one of the plants. This is Clematis Rebecca, but then it's been really packaged well. I'm happy. I'll come closer to the camera. Although we're in a dormant season, but you can see that there are still there are buds, and I'm happy it's already been cut to this height, because these are class 2 group 2 clematis. They would have needed that treatment anyway, so they've shipped out in that condition. But you can see some of the buds. That's number one. And the other plant also, I'm very impressed with the packaging and the condition at arrival. This one is Clematis Nelly Moser, and again I'll try to do a close-up. You can see, I hope I'm getting that on camera. It's been cut down to the desired level for a group 2 clematis, and there are buds. I hope I'm getting that on camera. Actually, this is the granular feed that I ordered as a trial. There are bigger sizes, but this was recommended on the website as a granular feed for clematis. It helps with the flowering, profuse flowering, applied at the beginning of spring. But apparently you can also use this for other plants like climbing roses. I think it will be a high potassium fertilizer, specifically for flowering and fruiting plants. And what I presumed was styrofoam is actually the soluble feed for this is the water soluble feed that you can apply more regularly. It was also advocated on the website, so I decided to order it. Yeah, so it looks like this. It says Clematis soluble feed is actually so this is manufactured by Vitax, but it's available on the Taylor Clematis website. And these are the content of the my order. It also comes with a brochure, which is really good, and I think this contains some information about planting clematis. So with this, I've come to the end of the unboxing. A big disclaimer: the images in this clip were not mine; they're from Google. But I can't wait for summer to come in the flowering period, and I can show some of my own plants and what the combinations that I end up doing. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, and see you in the next one. Bye.